When it comes to making a decision of replacing your AC unit, give Air Solution and Repair the opportunity to guide and advise you on what's the best option available for a durable and affordable unit that will last for years. When you contact Air Solution and Repairs, we will gather all the right measurements before suggesting the best air conditioner unit that fits your home. We'll measure each room, including floors, ceilings, and walls. Check indoor and outdoor average temperature, roof material, and colors. Finally, our professionals will suggest the best place to install a new air conditioning unit for efficiency by keeping it out of direct sunlight and surrounded by plenty of space for air circulation. We'll make sure to take these final steps to optimize your investment. We are authorized distributors of Carrier and Daikin in South Florida. When thinking it's time to change your AC unit, trust in Air Solution and Repairs, because we care.